So let's continue and let's see what this plugin is capable of doing. Now this is an extremely powerful tool. I love what this plugin is capable of doing. So let's move on to the next one. Next plugin, Equivocate. It's a fantastic EQ. So we're gonna do what we did before. I'm gonna shut up and we're just gonna mess around with the plugin. Let's go. Something that this plugin is capable of doing, and I'm not really going to show it to you in this video because of time. Let's say you had a song and you wanted to match the EQ of that specific song. So you can do that with this EQ. It has a match EQ functionality, which is pretty mind-blowing. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. I'll make a video just on this EQ. So the next one is Punctuate. So what do you guys think of punctuate? So the next one is saturate. Let's go. One thing I didn't talk about, all these plugins have these options here. Moderate. Pretty nice. It's up to you which one you want to use. The modern one is pretty nice. So there you go, guys. What did you guys think about saturate? So if this is the first time watching one of my videos, subscribe to the channel. Press the bell for future notifications. If you want to talk about what you just saw in this video, post in the bottom. Let's talk about it. Also, don't forget to check the description for useful information. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.